Hi everybody, my name's Hannah. Welcome to UMass Law. I'm going to be taking you around on a tour. Right now we are standing in our moot courtroom, which is home to several classes, competitive teams, and events. So one of our competitive teams is moot court. We also have mock trial and client counseling. And then one of our classes that is primarily housed in here is trial practice. Alrighty, right now we're gonna head into our career services and our Dean of Students office. This is one of our lecture halls. UMass Law has the smallest typical class size of any ABA accredited law school in Massachusetts. Our faculty offers countless office hours, midterm and final review sessions to ensure student success. Our second floor of the library is a silent study floor, so if you want to go in, you have to stay quiet. This is our café. This is a place for students to hang out for the lunch break from 12 to 1:15. It's a grab and go, self-serve, self-checkout, honor code. The fridges will have pre-made sandwiches, salads, other snacks, drinks as well. There's also fridge, microwaves, and a toaster oven if students do choose to bring their own meals as well. All of the artwork on display in here is created by UMass Dartmouth students. Right now we are on the first floor of the library. Our library has 3 floors, the top and bottom being our silent floors, and this middle floor being our collaborative workspace. Tons of resources available, as well as our librarians in the circulation desk at what I like to call the heart and soul of the law school. They can assist you with just about anything you may need help with and answer any question you may have. Law students have the option to live in apartment-style accommodations on the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth campus. Thank you so much for joining me on tour. Good luck on your law school admissions journey, and I look forward to seeing you on campus soon.